What's up, YouTube? Stampede. Got it on the bench. Got a hot battery this time. Last time the battery was a little too weak. I was out there trying to pull a lot of snow. You know, the light bulb cut off hit on me. So other than that, we're about to run this thing. These are full suspension. Up down, we got a few subscribers out there asked me a few questions about the Stampede 4x4 Traxxas truck. This is a 1/10 scale of a real truck, a real F-150 or whatever you may call it. Licensed tires, shocks, real shocks with fluid in them. Real shocks, real suspension. These things are fast. They weigh about 6 pounds. Top speed of 60 to 70 miles an hour with the current motor that's sitting here that comes with it stock. Enough of me talking about it. Let's get this thing running. Oh, one other thing. If you can see down in there, these are sway bars. These are what you see on your high-end sports cars and trucks. This thing has sports. Ready? This thing is very powerful. I'm about to take this thing on a few speed runs. Let's do this. Just got finished greasing it, greasing the suspension. Got a hot battery pack in here. It's doing pretty good out here on the snow today. For day 2. You see the tread, just like you would in a real car. And these are high-speed tires because this truck moves pretty fast. Back up. Oh, what's the deal? What the fuck? What? Right in the middle of a freaking video shoot? She go die? What the fuck? The thing just died on a technical on the shoot. Alright, I'm back. So we had some battery issues. I had a battery that wasn't as powerful as I thought it was. I got some connection problems. I gotta check that. I haven't been doing RC for numerous months. Fell out of love with it. Basically, now I'm back into it. So, what's the deal? It's pretty windy out here. This is a 1/10 scale truck. This company called Traxxas makes these trucks, cars, and other devices. So, this truck does 60 miles an hour. It's a 1/10 scale of a real truck. It has wheel moving parts, real suspension, tunes just like a real car. You have your toe in, your toe out, all your bars here to adjust the wheel length and everything else. But anyway, it's kind of freaking cold out here. So, we're just going to get into it. We're going to pull some speed runs with this truck real quick. And let's do it. Enough talking. Ooh, it's nice and cold too. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Let's see if we can get these tires a little cold. Oh, it's hot. It's slick. It's a little slick out here because it's very cold. See if I can. What I'm doing is trying to get the tires a little hot. Let's go. So there's a stick out here. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's bring it on back. I'm gonna let it go. Okay, she's coming to you and I'm putting down on it. That's full throttle. Let's stop, bring it back. I guess the tire's getting warm. Oh, save. Whoa. Whoa, out of control. That's a good thing, that's a good thing. Whoa, it's really cold. I don't know, it's probably almost 28, 29 degrees out here. Whoa. Or colder. I'm not in, but I know it's really cold today. It's one of the, for what they're saying, is one of the coldest years. The coldest year today. Okay, it's this last one because it's really cold. Oh man. Okay, it's windy. I'm trying to have some fun with this thing. That was the brake. It has, this thing will stop on a dime. So I can slow it down. Just like a real car, it has a throttle. I can ease into it, I can give it gas, and give it full gas, and she'll just pull on the way. What was the car behind us? Okay. Let's have some fun in the snow, what we all been waiting for, right? She can be on smooth surface and jump right into the dirt and have fun. Woo! Back on this hill. That's it. I wonder if my mother's gonna be mad at me. Woo! She drifting. Whoa, my goodness. This is what you call bashing. Because I'm putting it through a lot of strain and stress. Power heating the tires up in the motor. It's cold out here. And this is a 16 scale just by Traxxas. They make one of the durable trucks in the world. We do all this stuff. Oh. And then we're going to still come out here and do some speed runs. That's Traxxas, the biggest name in radio control trucks. Hey, what's happening? Oh, no. Okay, let's get the. Okay, let's get the snow out. Very durable. That's Traxxas. I think you better go out and pick you up one, guys. For $400. The list price for $425. These trucks are not cheap. Here it comes. And she's gone. I think these trucks are not cheap. It's freaking cold out here. Traxxas. I think you better go pick one up, buddy. Stampede. I'm about to bring it on in now because it's freaking cold. Really cold. Look at the little chick. Look, let's go get that car. I like to show off. We're gonna go get it. But, Come on back. Stop on the dime. Alright. With this temperature out here, and I'm getting down on the motor like the temp goes up. I know this motor's hot. But with the temperature is cold, it might even itself out. Ain't allow me to do all this freaky craziness, having fun and all that shit. Plus the new speed control Traxxas sent me. I got a new speed control. It's supposed to be a much better design than the one he had before. So, run much cooler. And I think it runs a lot faster too. But anyway. That's the Traxxas Stampede. We're having fun with it. All four tire spins, all-wheel drive. Come on, man, all-wheel drive and a toy? Come on, this is incredible. Full suspension, like a real car? Are you crazy? List price for $425. But you know where your money goes. She's solid. Very high, very good plastic. This is a plastic mesh with fibers. This is not your traditional toy. This is hobby grade. It's a hobby grade RC. And it's hobby grade. People are watching and looking and amazed of this toy out here in these grueling weather, running around. How can it do it? Whew. Let's take a peek at the power plant, shall we? Well, it's the Traxxas Millennium. Let's see if we can get some of it. Oh dear. Well, that's the battery. Let's see if we can take a peek at the inside real quick. Wow. Oh well. See the electronics in there, buddy. It's too freaking cold out here to get into it all. Do it in the house.